adding a row in Visual Composer is really easy. So when you scroll to the bottom of your page in the backend editor, you'll see this plus icon. If you click on that to add an element, and we're going to pick the row element. So we'll click that. And now we've got a blank single column row. And of course we can adjust that so we can give it some columns and settings. And this is the basic element of the page structure. So it's really good idea to create rows when you have a kind of logical section down the page. You don't really want to just stack everything in one row because then you can't rearrange things. See, if I've got this row here, and I'll just drop in a text block. So we'll stick that in there. Now let's say that I want to put that button down the bottom. So you can see right now, this green button, it's in the middle, it's above our text block. If what we do is drag that row down, and now you can see that, oops, drag it down. And now you can see, if I preview, that'll be down the bottom. And because it's its own row, it makes it fairly easy to just move it around without interfering with the rest of the page. And it also gives us the opportunity to have different numbers of columns for different sections. So if I have another row with the 3 columns, great, so I've got that. But then I can have this next section with 2 columns. And it doesn't have to have the same number of columns as above. Okay, and so therein is the beauty of the rows, where you can change the combination of columns and elements without having to kind of do any coding or special work to make that look okay.